starts with modeling. It's a seamless integration that ultimately allows us to provide a better product that is done in a faster time with fewer mistakes.
ShipConstructor is always innovating, so we're always seeing what the innovations are, what the new process improvements are with ShipConstructor. Using ShipConstructor and Navisworks to do all our reviews, it just makes it a lot better product.
So any kind of way we can speed the job up, whatever technology does to speed it up, that's what we're looking to do.
Our attitude is, what's the best way to deliver the product to the customer? And how do we get there?
See the full success story at ssi-corporate.com.